I don't get it. I read in the papers where the West is building up, but all I ever see is empty towns. This being fastest gun in the West is a lonesome life. Only ones that'll speak to me are the lawmen. Oh, Sheriff, are you here? I'll find Teeny Terwilliger and make him talk. Shuckins, I'll get so lonesome I'd talk to anybody. You know, I just can't figure out that jingling noise. I'm not even wearing spurs. You want to be nicely even brown all over? Talk, but they have their own way of expressing their feelings. Lion has a toothache, huh? Sounds like an impacted wisdom tooth. I'll be right over.